I'm not actually sure if this is going to work, but most things worth doing start as a maybe. You try, you learn, you adjust. Nothing important in life waits for certainty. So, welcome to Guy Who Actually Does Stuff. Hopefully you're going to want to follow with me for all the different things that I do in my life. Some boring, some exciting, but I think it's an adventure either way. So in this series, this is the Vivor Forge. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, just a tool. And like any tool, it only becomes real once you set it up and make it your own. Assembly is simple, but not mindless. Everything you don't check now becomes a problem later. I like to pick up these different hobbies as I go through life, more than most I think. But I just want to spend my life finding new things and learning how to use new tools and becoming a skillful maker. I like that sound. Inside, it's all about the heat. The ceramic wool, the rigidizer, refractory, mortar, the things that nobody ever notices, but everything depends on. Whatever you build is only as strong as what you put under the surface. Then, the burners go on, basic Venturi style. Turn the knob, light the torch, and the forge wakes up. Soon, the paint burns off, the sound shifts, and suddenly the whole shop will feel alive. The rigidizer did its job. Everything's nice and firm. I think it's now time to add the cement. There's a moment when the inside glows, the steel disappears into the heat. That's when you realize this thing isn't just a box. It's a place where raw material becomes something else, including you if you let it. This is hot. and it's ready to go. This is where it starts. Tools, ideas, steel, and whatever comes next. This is gonna be a guy who actually does stuff. Good enough.